Excellency, thank you very much for your precious time. How do you see the current status of Pak-Iran relationship and the trade volume between the two countries?
The relation between Iran and Pakistan, it has a lot of aspects, and alhamdulillah, all of them, they are in the good trend. Right now, according to the latest data that we received, we have 35% increasing the bilateral trade in last 9 months of the year.
According to some media reports, Pakistan has offered Iran to come forward in the CPEC. How do you see this offer?
We said our eagerness and readiness for coming to this project. So I believe that inshallah coming to this project can be strengthened the relation between these three countries, and also it is good news for the other countries in the region.
Excellency, do you think that Chabahar and Gwadar are the two sister ports, and Pakistan and Iran will join hands to promote these two ports?
Not so, but some negative propaganda regarding to these two harbors, they are competent to each other or they are rivals. And alhamdulillah, right now it is under a very good process, and very soon inshallah you will be witness that these two important and the key harbors in the region, they are more and more be active to each other.
Excellency, how do you see the world after Trump, the new US president? Do you think after his steps against Muslim countries, the world is becoming more insecure to live?
They have not enough information and right information. And as the past, the globe of Islam is under the negative propaganda and the biased approach to the reality. And sometimes we receive some news that they are totally colored version of the facts. And so we believe that the American should wash their eyes and look to the realities.
What is the Iran official stance on Kashmir? What important role can Iran play in Pak-India tense relations?
It is better they set aside the hostility in the world, and they come through the diplomatic and the political solution for the matter. And so Kashmir is very important for all of the peoples in the region. And according to the relation between Iran and Pakistan and Iran and India, of course, we never received any official request for mediation of Iran in this case. If we receive it, 100% we said welcome, because we believe that it is solvable between two neighboring countries.
Excellency, thank you very much.
Thank you.